How to create a room on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to create a room on PUBG. Creating a room on PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile. Launch the PUBG game on your mobile device. Go to the main menu. Tap on the start button to access the main menu. Select room. Look for the room option in the menu. This is often found under the play section, or you can find it by tapping on the custom button. Create room. Tap on create room. You may need to be at least a certain level, usually 14 level or higher, to access these features. Set room option. Adjust the room settings such as map, modes, room, password, player limit. Create room. After adjusting these settings, tap on create button to generate the room. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can create a room on PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.